Good morning. It's been a minute since we've done a So You Want to Paint Your Drift Car, so I thought we would do one today. And we're going to talk about this particular car back here. No disrespect to that car, it just happens to be one that I've photographed recently. And the thing about this car is that it's matte. Now, I love a matte paint job myself, but I've had conversations with drivers in the DMs about different paint jobs, which is where a lot of the conversation for these episodes come from. And one of the things that I think you need to be aware of if you want a matte vehicle is that it doesn't bounce light in the same way as a gloss or a metallic. And what I mean by that is what you can kind of see here. It absorbs the light, but it doesn't give any kind of bounce to move the light around the body lines. And so it tends to photograph hollow or feel a little flat. Now, I love a matte paint job myself, especially in sunlight. They look awesome, almost like they have a velvet texture, which is very cool. But at nighttime, you're going to get this kind of feeling where it might feel a little bit flat to you. So if you're considering a matte paint job or a matte wrap, just be aware of what those photos might look like coming back to you.